Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bernard for the BTNHD, and today is all about how to install Windows Terminal 1.0, so let's get into it. Okay, so today is all about installing Windows Terminal 1.0 within Windows 10. Super simple, so let's get right to it. So the first thing that I'm going to do right now is I'm going to right click on my start menu, go to Run, type in WinBER, hit OK. And I'm doing everything within the Windows 10 version 2004. Now on my desktop, I'm going to click on the start menu. I'm going to start typing in Windows Store, and you should automatically get the Microsoft Store. So we are going to click on that to open it up. And then on the upper right hand side, we are going to click on the search, and we're going to start typing in Windows Terminal. Now there's two of them. There's Windows Terminal and there's Windows Terminal Preview. Now the Preview gets a lot of preview builds and a lot of stuff gets changed. If you want to be a developer and test out the latest builds that are being tested, go for it. For this video, I am going to do Windows Terminal. When you click on it, it's going to take you here. Just click on Install. It's going to start installing. It's super small. Once it's completed, you're done. You're able to click on launch, and once it launch up, boom. By default, it takes you to the Windows PowerShell command, which is okay. But if you click on that nice little arrow, you're able to switch to command prompt, Ubuntu if you have Ubuntu installed, or a Linux platform, Azure Cloud Shell, which I'm definitely going to use. And for this video, I'm actually going to click on Ubuntu, and it's going to load up, and I'm able to do whatever I need to do within this Linux platform. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button. Do not forget about punching elbow and smashing that subscribe button to get the latest and greatest from this guy. And I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.